There's a lot of monuments to those Northern soldiers, very few monuments to Southern soldiers. Although as you go around the battlefield, you will see that each of the 11 Southern states that sent troops to the battlefield does have a memorial to the troops from their state. So 18 different Northern states, 11 different Southern states have memorials on the battlefield. There's 1,400 different monuments, markers, and plaques, including this one. But I want to refer back to these cannons. Remember I said at the beginning that this was a military position before it was a cemetery. This is Cemetery Hill. Most people, most military experts would agree that this was the most important terrain feature on the battlefield during the 3 days of fighting. Remember, the battle was fought on July 1st, 2nd, and 3rd of 1863. It started on the Wednesday morning. 160,000 soldiers fought on these fields and on the hills south of here and on the nearby farms. When it was over, there were 51,000 men either dead on the field, wounded and terribly maimed, most with rifle fire, and about 10,000 taken prisoner. It was a horrific battle. It was a bloodbath, and it took place here, and this was where some of the worst of the fighting took place, on Cemetery Hill. Gettysburg was a turning point in the bloody 4-year Civil War, and as we said earlier, this is where Lincoln came 4 months later to tell people what they were fighting for when he gave the Gettysburg Address. Now, just to tell you a little bit about the Battle of Gettysburg, the Civil War started in April of 1861 and ended in April of 1865. This battle